Hello, everybody. Talmar Anderson, the Boss Muse here. And today we're talking about keep them until they're replaced. If you've made the decision that this employee is not working out and you know you have to let him go, is it okay to keep him on staff while you're starting your recruiting process? There's two big no-nos. One, if they are creating more work for you or the team just by being there, absolutely not. That can include just creating a climate that makes it hard for everybody else to work. So be mindful about whether this person is creating more chaos by staying. The second one is, could they ruin your reputation or worse, actually piss off a client, right? We don't want them messing with our client engagement. It's much better to be understaffed than a ruined company. All right, boss on.